$120,000 is the baseline annual revenue you can pull in with a lean California operation. So, before we break down the operational blueprint, there is a hidden compliance trick regarding local municipal permits that changes everything. I recently dissected the exact framework of an operator in Sacramento who scaled from zero to profitable in 90 days. Your initial setup requires registering a sole proprietorship, which costs around $70 depending on your specific county. Then you must secure a standard $1 million general liability insurance policy, which averages $45 monthly. Now, if you want your business to be immediately profitable, you must follow this exact high margin execution strategy. We focus strictly on bi-weekly residential deep cleans, targeting homes between 1,500 and 2,500 square feet. You charge a flat rate of $240 per home, which breaks down to $60 per hour. Assuming you complete just 2 homes per day, 5 days a week, your weekly gross income sits at $2,400. That translates directly to $9,600 every month, while maintaining a massive 80% profit margin. Your recurring chemical and fuel costs will consume roughly 12%, leaving you with serious cash flow. To achieve this, you need a commercial upright vacuum, a microfiber mop kit, 4 extension poles, and heavy-duty caddies. You also require specialized tile grout brushes, 10 gallons of concentrated neutral floor cleaner, and professional window squeegees. To simplify your setup, all of these exact required products are tagged right below in one full comprehensive list. You can easily click the link and have these essential tools added to your shopping cart right now. Okay, let us circle back to that compliance secret I mentioned earlier regarding your California business license. Most new owners waste weeks applying for expensive state-level programs when you only need a city business tax certificate. Sitting with that data for a moment made me realize how much capital people throw away on unnecessary administrative costs. Your total upfront investment for equipment, licensing, and insurance is capped right around $950. With a lean expense structure, your time to achieve full return on investment is a swift 3 weeks of operation. The real execution secret lies in road density, meaning you only accept clients within a strict 7-mile radius. This optimization cuts your non-productive travel time by 40% and slashes your fuel expenditure in half. Your immediate next step today is to file your fictitious BizName statement with your local county clerk. Next, secure your liability insurance policy online so you can legally step foot onto a client property. Finally, print 100 professional flyers targeting affluent suburbs to secure your first 5 recurring accounts.